Meanwhile, Mpcc Chief Vincent Pala has criticized the state government for bringing a large number of coke plants in the state for the sake of money. Talking about the state government's performance, he said both MDA-1 and MDA-2 had committed to providing 5 lakh jobs but could not touch even the 1 lakh mark so far. He alleged it was out of sheer greed that the government took the decision to open more and more coke plants. He accused it of spoiling the entire Jaintia Hills region, and Pala said the ego of Congress leaders was the reason the NPP-led formation got a second chance to form the government.
They promised work to 5 lakhs people. I think not even 1 lakh has been finished. At least if you divide that 5 lakhs divided by 5 years, so how many has been employed? 0. They promised coal in the manifesto, 0. They have made a funfair that they have given a mining license, 0. Rather, they give us so many coke plants, this become poison for the people. And with that coke plant today, the people are having an orange festival without orange. Today, people have pine festival without pine. And with that, that decision we have taken only for the sake of money and the sake of greed.
India has said that it is in constant touch with the leaders of Israel